Castor oil, with its antimicrobial and antifungal properties, can help combat dandruff and other scalp issues. It also acts as a moisturizer, preventing dryness and flakiness. Castor oil's polarized nature attracts dirt, making it an effective and gentle cleanser for the skin. Scalp infections are common during rainy and winter seasons, and poor hygiene increases the risk of dandruff, itching, and eruptions. Castor oil can inhibit and arrest bacterial and fungal infections, ensuring scalp health. Castor oil for hair promotes thicker, fuller hair by coating the shaft, providing protection and strengthening over time, reducing breakage and thinning. Castor oil is a natural conditioner that promotes healthy, shiny, and soft hair. It contains oleic and linoleic acids, restores hair normalcy, and improves blood circulation, making it ideal for dry and damaged hair, promoting faster growth and reducing detangling. Castor oil, rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, promotes hair health by aiding in protein synthesis, promoting a normal growth and resting cycle, reducing excessive hair loss. Castor oil, a natural oil, is known for its hydration benefits for hair and scalp. It is rich in ricinoleic acid and omega-6 and 9 fatty acids, which fortify hair with moisture. Its nutritional composition includes proteins, vitamins, fatty acids, and antioxidants, promoting healthier hair growth, making it a beneficial way to nurture the scalp and hair follicles while encouraging healthier, faster hair growth. Ricinoleic acid's high content may improve scalp blood circulation, leading to stronger strands and less breakage. Castor oil, a humect, locks in moisture and shine, promoting healthier hair growth. Moist hair is more likely to grow at a healthier rate. The health of your scalp is crucial for hair follicles, and poor hygiene can lead to dry scalp and dead hair follicles. To prevent dry scalp, allow castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, can improve blood circulation and hair growth. Regular use on roots boosts growth, reduces damage, hydrates hair, and prevents dry scalp. Castor oil is beneficial for the scalp and hair growth, as it enhances the absorption of other products. When incorporated into your hair routine, other products may penetrate more effectively, promoting hair health and growth. Castor oil fortifies hair strands with deep-rooted fatty acids, reducing breakage and reducing damage from heat tools and humidity, making it a valuable hair care product. Castor oil is a natural emollient that effectively locks in moisture, prevents brittleness, and promotes a silky, hydrated texture, effectively eliminating frizz.